Hi there, students. Oneiric. Oneiric. This is an adjective meaning related to dreams, belonging to dreams, resembling a dream, dreamlike, dreamy. Okay, so oneiric. The, the film had an oneiric quality that seemed like a dream. It seemed like the whole thing was one dream. You've even got oneirology, where you interpret somebody's dreams. The science of dreams, studying people's dreams. So, oneiric, related to dreams, suggestive of dreams, pertaining to dreams. He seems to walk through life in this oneiric state where he just doesn't know what's going on. Yeah, he's walking through life in a dream. The imagery of this film was so oneiric that it was very beautiful. The colors or the colors and shapes of this picture give it an oneiric quality. Okay, lucid dreaming is something that is oneiric. You're asleep, but you feel like you're awake. Okay, the dream time, the time before people, in the time of dreams, is part of Australian Aborigine culture. But something that's oneiric is related to dreams. It's something that is part of dreams. Okay, this music has an oneiric quality. It seems to be in a dream world. If the world seems oneiric to you, maybe that's a good thing, but maybe you need to actually wake up. A painting filled with imagery is oneiric. Okay, something that an abnormal state of consciousness. Yeah, you can also have onirism, the noun, an abnormal state of consciousness, a dreamlike experience, hallucination. So oneiric it comes from ancient Greek oneiros, a dream, or the oneiros, the god of dreams. So, characteristic of dreams. The taste of this is somewhat oneiric. The colours are oneiric. Okay, part of the dream world, from imagination. They're dreamlike. They're dreamy. So, formality. This is a more unusual word. I think I'm going to give this a 6.5, maybe even a 7 in formality. Using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And I guess that's it. If you so yes, the origin, as I said, from ancient Greek. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Oneiric.